How to fix ChatGPT problem or error. Now open your mobile setting. Scroll down the apps. Open your apps. After that, open your ChatGPT app. Allow all permissions. And now you can clear the cache and storage memory. After that, now you can open Play Store app and update your ChatGPT app. After update your app, now you can open your VPN app and you can use your ChatGPT app. Thanks for watching.